and sped away. He continued southbound. He didn't pull over, refused to stop.
And how far did you have to go?
From Walton to Niles Buchanan Road is where he eventually crashed. It's approximately 2 miles, 2.5 miles. He crashed. I notified dispatch that he crashed. Got out of the car at that point.
You got out of the car?
I did.
What was the motorcyclist doing at that point?
He was on the ground. He got off the ground, began walking towards me, towards my patrol car. I was standing adjacent to my driver's door.
Were you saying anything to the
I
driver?
was yelling at him to get on the ground. I removed my duty weapon from my holster. I was pointing at him and yelling at him to get on the ground. He did not comply with those orders.
So what happened there?
He approached, closed the gap. I noticed that he was staggering, stumbling. I did not see any weapons on him. So as he approached, I grabbed him with my left hand about the chest area and pushed him forward back in front of the view of the camera. We were trying to secure him. An unknown subject came up and grabbed me in a chokehold from behind.
Were you able to see where this individual came from?
I was not.
You said this particular individual came and grabbed you around your neck?
Yes,
And do you see that person in this courtroom?
I did.
Can you point to him and describe something he's wearing today?
He's sitting at the table over there wearing a green shirt and an arm tattoo.
Your Honor, may the record reflect that the witness has pointed in the direction of the defendant.
May so reflect, and I just want to be clear, this person you identified is the person who you say was the unknown subject who put you in the chokehold?
Yeah.
So describe the chokehold he had on you.
He grabbed me from behind and had both arms around my neck, like this wrenching on my neck.
How tight was the choking?
It was a carotid chokehold, so it was real tight.
And what does that mean as far as the carotid chokehold?
Well, your carotid artery provides oxygenated blood to your brain, and if you cut that off, you can lose consciousness.
When he grabbed you, were you still with the motorcyclist?
Yes, as he grabbed me and put me in a chokehold, I was struggling with the motorcyclist on the ground.
And were you able to maintain your struggle with the motorcycle?
I was not, because I needed to get an airway. If I wasn't able to establish an airway, I would have passed out. To my backup weapon and usually force.
Why?
Because I felt I was going to pass out. If I did not, once I passed out, then this unknown individual and the other subject that were on the motorcycle would have access to my weapons.
How long was the defendant, how long did he have his chokehold on you?
It was more than 11 seconds.